That's the closest bonus you got. So, wait,
Oh,
there you go. See, about time you listen to me.
It's a small one, but
I mean, but if a mini lands, that's 250.
you ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Keep coming. Keep giving me 10.
Or give him a mini.
So you're being greedy. I'm just trying to get some money back.
I feel like
get some ammo to get the bonus again.
I feel like a mini. Asking for a mini ain't being greedy. It's like the bare minimum.
There you go.
Hey, you ain't nothing but 10s. That's good.
That's what I asked for.
All right, don't stop. Don't stop.
One more at least. Give me one more.
Come on. Save it. Save it. Save it. Ah, okay. I think it was. You got
20, 85?
okay.
Oh, I can't.
Hey, at least we finally got a bonus for the day.